is Hương, and today I'm going to tell a story about the greedy dog. Once upon a time, there was a dog and he was really hungry. He went into a butcher shop and found a bone, a really big and juicy bone lying on the ground. He snatched it and grabbed it in his mouth. I need to eat this in a quiet place, he thought. So he went out of the butcher shop and went in a field full of beautiful flowers. Then he went to a stream. He looked at the water. Huh? That dog has a bigger bone. I need it. So he growled at the dog in the stream. Grrr! The dog at the stream growled at him. He was so angry. I need that bone. And then he barked. Ruff! Oh no! What have I done? I've lost my bone. The dog in the stream was my reflection. Sadly, he went back with sorrow in his eyes. He surely learned a lesson, and the moral is, be happy with what you have. Don't be greedy. Goodbye. The end.